Hello everyone and welcome back to the Quantphilic. Today here we are to discuss daily dose DILR of 15th October. Okay, let's check this it. Since there wasn't any video solution provided, so I thought of making a video on this. Okay, here's the set. This is a binary logic set. Binary logic set. Okay, let's read the set. HIJKL participated in race and got different ranks. Each got different. They all belong to three tribes: Shiva, Ravana, and Kumbha. Isn't it? Array means SRK. Okay. In Shiva tribe, people always say the truth. Ravana always lie, and Kumbha alternate. Okay, means correct wrong or wrong correct for Kumbha. It is also known that only one of them belong to Ravana. Okay, only one Ravana, and at least two belong to Kumbha, and remaining are truth teller. Fair enough. Okay, these are the four statements made by them. So now let's skim through the question once. See, whenever you see a binary logic set, the approach which we follow is by taking any person as correct, both statement correct, and then accordingly checking other statements and checking the cases and eliminating. Okay, so the same logic will be following here, but since we don't know the number of truth teller here, so for that reason our work can be tedious. But see, there was one question. There is a question that who belongs to Shiva tribe. So with this question and options, we will try to do this. Okay. Okay, let's start. Now, first thing I want to tell you that, say if there is a person A and he is a liar, okay, then any statement made by him will always be a wrong, isn't it? Because if he makes any statement a correct one, then he is out from the race of being a liar, isn't it? So the same logic will be following here. Okay, here, Kiran's second statement is I belong to Ravana tribe. Can this statement be ever be correct? Because if statement is correct, then she can never be of Ravana tribe, because she has already made a correct statement. So this statement always has to be a wrong statement. Okay. Okay. This was the important point to be noted before and only. Now, who belongs to Shiva tribe? Okay. Kiran is gone from the race. The reason I told. Now, Inshia says that I belong to Kumbha tribe. Say her this statement. Inshia says that I belong to Kumbha tribe. So Inshia says that I'm not. If her this statement is correct, then this statement has to be wrong, because she is from Kumbha tribe, and Kumbha tribe people are known to make statement in this type of fashion: correct wrong or wrong correct. So this statement is correct, so this will be wrong. So she cannot be what Shiva tribe or a truth teller, because either this is correct, or if this is wrong, then this will be wrong. Say she isn't from Kumbha tribe. So this will be, so already she is gone from the race of being a Shiva tribe, because her one statement is wrong. So Inshia is gone. Now we are left with Latika and Hina. Let's check. Okay. Say Latika's first option is Latika. Say both the statements by Latika are correct. So I am from Shiva tribe. I got rank 1. Okay. She is rank 1. Okay. Now I'm from Shiva tribe. So this statement only I belong to this one. Okay. So I got rank 1, which means that this statement is correct. The statement is I still need to work hard to get rank 1, isn't it? Yes, she needs to work, because which means that she isn't rank 1, and this is correct because rank 1 is Latika. So if this statement is correct, and this statement now the options for this statement are correct or wrong. If we take correct, then this isn't possible, because if she is from Kumbha tribe, then either of the statement has to be wrong. So she can't be correct. And now if she says the wrong statement, I belong to Kumbha tribe, so this statement is wrong. What all tribes we have? Shiva, Kumbha and Ravana. She is gone from the race of being Kumbha, because this statement we have taken wrong, and one statement is wrong, so she is gone from the race of being Shiva as well. Now we are left with Ravana. Say if we take her to be of Ravana tribe, then this cannot be correct, because Ravana people have to make both the statements wrong. So this statement is also wrong, which means that our supposition of Latika being from Shiva tribe is gone. Okay. So now the last option we are left with is Hina. Blindly you can mark that this is correct, but you should check as well. Okay. Hina is correct. Both statements are correct. So Jasmeet got rank 2. Fair enough. 2. Only I belong to Shiva tribe, which means that this is wrong. Now I still need to get. I still need to work hard. This statement has to be wrong, isn't it? Because again, if you take this statement as correct, we are left with these two cases, and इसकी मैं रामायण पहले ही सुना चुका हूँ पिछले पहले. So which means that this statement has to be wrong. This statement is wrong, which means that this is I'm from Kumbha tribe. Fair enough. अच्छा satisfy कर गया. ठीक है. I still need to work hard to get rank 1. Means ये statement गलत है, तो she is already rank 1, isn't it? So इसका ये statement भी गलत हो गया. I got rank 1, which means that Latika is okay. This much we are done. Now Hina is not from Shiva tribe. Is it correct? No. Wrong. Now we have already got a liar from someone from Ravana tribe. So which means all these cases will be, if this is wrong, then this has to be correct. I belong to Kumbha tribe. Yeah, fair enough. She is correct. And Hina got rank 3. This has to be correct because she can't be a liar. As we have only one liar. Okay. I got rank 3. So she is rank 3. Okay. These all things are we are left with. Hina got rank 3. Oh, sorry. Hina got rank 3. My bad. Hina got rank 3. So she will be 4 or 5, and accordingly she will be 5 or 4. Okay. Now this question was who belongs to Shiva tribe. Hina is the answer to this question. Answer is correct. Answer 2 Hina. Okay, chalo. Done. Now who among the following definitely got rank 4? We can't say anything. We can't say anything because we have two possibilities, Kiran and Latika being rank 4. So the answer is CBD. Let's check. 4 CBD correct. Now who belongs to Ravana tribe? Latika. So answer is 1. This one is the answer. Let's check. Correct answer 1. Okay. Now last question, or in fact the first question. Who among them got rank 1? Rank 1 is got by Inshia. This was Inshia, no? Inshia only. I like this. Yeah, Inshia got rank 1. 3rd. Correct. I hope you like this. Thank you so much.